Hi, I'm Amy with Superior Threads, and I want to talk about Hugo's amazing tape today. I love this. I use it for a lot of different things, but one of the things I use it for in my everyday life is my thread storage. And it is a stretch wrap press tape. It only sticks to itself and not your stuff. So that's what I like about it, especially using with my thread. Comes in a 1/2 inch and a 1 inch, let me pull this out, a 1 inch wide roll and also a 2 inch wide roll. So you don't really even have to guess what you need. It's just every size you can think of. So what I do is I just let me grab a little one that doesn't have one on it. Most of these have one on there. This is some of my silk thread. Silk is really slick. And it will come undone. And if you're like me, before I did this, I would walk away from whatever I was making or near my thread, and I would drag like 3 or 4 pieces of thread with me, and they'd be unwinding as I walk away. So I just get a little piece, and I'm going to cut it off. If the camera moved, that was my dog tripping over the camera tripod. Bless his heart, he's a little blind and a little deaf, but he's wandering around down here. So I just make sure my thread's wrapped up. I take it and I hold it, and I want to stretch it just a little bit, so I'm just pulling it tight, stretch it. Well, I just let go of it. Here we go. Stretch it and wrap it right on top of itself, and it totally sticks. And my thread's not going to come out of that. It's going to keep it. And when I'm ready to use this, I just unwrap it, use it. I usually lay this next to me because you can reuse it over and over again. After a long period of time, I haven't had to replace mine yet, but you will have to replace it eventually, but it is multiple uses. And I just stick it right back on.